Wondershare Filmora for noobs.
What you are looking at right now is called Text Gradual Color Changing Effect, and it was regularly used in MrBeast game series. Well, because it was first created using Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects, it doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot do it in Filmora. Well, because we want to create it exactly like in the MrBeast video, add a quick text from your toolbar. Now here on the text properties, I will change the text to something like 20 players remaining. Change the font size to something like 92. And the font type to impact. You can also reduce the transform scale to something like 85 or 86. Then once you are done that stage, you can just right select your titles and then use this option right here, which is compound clip. Now, if you notice carefully, you also find out that besides the gradual color changing, the text is also fading out. So for us to create that, right here under the Transform tab, if you scroll down, you can see the compositing right here, add an opacity keyframe just before the last frame of the video. And then right on the last frame, reduce it, and that is going to create a fade out. And now you are almost done. Right now, go to the Effects tab, and then search for an effect called All-Purpose Color. Drag it down onto your command clip, and then as you see, it starts showing yellow from the previous screen right there. And now let's approach the most interesting moment. Firstly, on the effect properties, right here, change the effect color to red. Once it's now red, a few frames after the first frame of your video, add the opacity keyframe, and then you reduce it back to 0. And that is going to bring back our titles to white. Then you go on almost to the last frame of the text. Increase the opacity of the effect back to full again. Now let's check out the full preview of the whole thing. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. If you find it interesting, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. God bless you.